This war is now cousin fighting cousin. Somali clans are arming to take on Al-Qaeda-linked terror group, Al-Shabaab. This is a conflict with an unconventional front line. It's actually hotspots all over the country. But here in Hiran is the heart of this war against Al-Shabaab. The Ma'awizli militia have them surrounded, not far from here. How many of your men do you have surrounding Al-Shabaab right now? They've got ground support from the Somali National Army and the heavy artillery of African Union Djiboutian forces. You've got 4 locations?
Yep.
What are they?
Location for enemy.
For Al-Shabaab targets?
For Al-Shabaab.
Intel is coming in fast. What are you hearing from your men closer to the target? They go again. The Ma'awizli, named after the skirts they wear to farm, are the new government's weapon of choice in the fight against Al-Shabaab.
4 days.
Legendary army veteran and governor of Hiran is here to boost morale. Al-Shabaab are now hiding within the community and switching up their tactics. Lower Shabelle is the most fertile part of the country, now ravaged by drought and planted bombs.
Our operations today, the improvised explosive devices or bombs, are the Al-Shabaab's weapon of choice.
It's a painstaking process. They're literally checking this road inch by inch for explosive devices. And because this is soft sand, it's very easy for Al-Shabaab to plant homemade bombs. On this road alone, Ugandan forces find 5 to 6 explosives every day. It's a critical artery linking the capital Mogadishu to the rest of the country, supplying food and fuel.
When you're helping Somalis recover from the effects of war, and then COVID came, it affected us like it affected any part of the world. But now the drought has been bad, and people are dying of hunger. The hungry man is an angry man.
When Ugandan troops first came here, the Somali army was barely operational. Now, they're partners. Earlier this year, the African Union mission in Somalia was renamed ATMIS, the African Transition Mission. More than 18,000 troops from Djibouti, Uganda, Burundi, Kenya, and Ethiopia are expected to withdraw from Somalia by the end of 2024. Is there a sense of this is a Somali problem that should be handled by Somalis?
No, they are welcoming us. The first lesson is African solidarity, African solution for African problems, as said by late Excellency Mandela.
We move with Burundian ATMIS troops to another hotspot, Balad. It's only an hour from Mogadishu and close to Al-Shabaab's former capital, Basra. And for their mayor, this fight is personal.
The
Ma'awizli are here too, resting before heading back out to battle. And where do you get your equipment from and your arms?
والله أوارها آدي بدنت هاي ومحوها هاي روبكي هاي رادي ماشي أيجي إيه دجان أوارت ما بكرة ما تبى.
Farmers, now fighters. A grassroots offensive in a never-ending war. Yusra al-Bagher, Sky News, Somalia.